there, bud. That's real water in there.
You're gonna be sopping wet. He's almost got it though. Kicking that little leg up. Come on. Come on, leg. Come on, leg.
He says he's spreading water around.
Almost got it. If he had any traction, he'd be up on that thing because he could pull with his arms. But as of right now, he can't seem to get.
If he grabbed that plastic part right there, he could probably do it.
Yeah. Come on.
Maybe I can get in this thing here.
But then he gets a little distracted by the soap dispenser. Almost get. No. Come on. Come on. Come on. You almost got it. Oh, just a little bit more. Yes, I see you. Don't look at the camera too much. You're going to fall over or crack your head on. Now he just looks like a sideways ballet dancer. Oh! Got this. I could do this, dang it. Oh, I missed it. Yes, we see you, silly little bug. Can you climb up there? Get back. Oh.
Yeah, that knee right there on top.
I know, he just doesn't get all the way up there. He's almost got it. I figure if he does this, though, that might actually help him with his crawling. This position is really funny with that big old monkey on his rear end. Yeah, we did it! You did it! Now you can't go anywhere. You're so wet. Now if you pull on that thing, it's gonna come out. Mission accomplished.
Now what you gonna do?
Exactly. Hey, look here. Aiden!